Hello, everyone. Welcome back. This is our third week in the series about cloud and how cloud can be helpful for manufacturing industry. We have Ganesh Madda, CEO of 5 Minutes SST US Operations. Ganesh, welcome back.
Thank you.
And I'm Syed Siraj, CEO of 5 Minutes SST India Operations, and I'm the host today. So, 2 weeks back, when Ganesh and I started talking about how cloud can be useful for manufacturing industry, Ganesh came up with three very important points. One was predictive maintenance, second was improved efficiency, and third was enhanced digital manufacturing. Last week we spoke about predictive maintenance. So this week my question to Ganesh is going to be purely about the the improved efficiency. In very simple terms, how, Ganesh, do you think manufacturing industry benefits from cloud?
Very good question, Sayed. Okay, and welcome viewers once again. And last week, okay, I did discuss about the predictive maintenance in the manufacturing industry and how the cloud technology helps, okay, to predict, okay, when the equipment is breaking down. And instead of going for the reactive maintenance, we have gone to the predictive maintenance using the cloud technology. Now, the second important point is that predictive maintenance gives you a specific ROI in the manufacturing industry. But the equipment, what you have it is such a costlier equipment for manufacturers. Okay, they invest in that. The efficiency to run to its 100% capacity to manufacture all the units, okay, whatever the production they produce it on that particular this one manufacturing thing, machines, they have to be 100% utilized. So it is very important that their efficiency should be increased. Okay, keeping that in mind, how this cloud will help us? First is that your equipment running is the first priority of any manufacturing operation, which is what we discussed. Okay, determining operational efficiency with facilities relies heavily on overall equipment effectiveness calculations. So it is called as OEE calculations. This is because it provides insight into the original equipment theoretical production or working capacity. The insight received can then be used to compare output from the actual production cycles to improve the production process. Thus, data collection accuracy is important to OEE calculation and reporting of improvements, and these are some of many areas in which cloud computing can enhance. According to IDC research, the manufacturing industry's annual spending on cloud computing is expected to hit 500 billion by the end of 2022. This is due to increased efficiency levels, scalability, and accuracy that the cloud has brought to the manufacturing process. To overall this efficient data collection and monitoring and processing, because everything, the information is coming to the cloud and we are centralized it and we are monitoring and doing this cloud-based platforms perform, okay, and give us that information. Based on that, okay, you can even tell that, okay, our manufacturing units are 100% efficient or not, or whatever the manufacturing machines are 100% utilized or not. The cloud helps us gather all that particular data. You can have the reports, you can have intelligent reports, you can have all the dashboards provided that at the click of the fingertips, okay, you can see that reports and show that, okay, saying that the utilization of each of the machinery over there. This is very helpful, okay, and that will help us to overall increase the efficiency of the machinery. How this is done? This is all real time, visible, okay, due to all the centralized management data which has been gathered and then performed on that. That's why the overall, the KPIs and all the things can be improved by using these technologies, and then comparing that KPIs with the other of your OEs and all that particular thing metrics, we can come up and we can improve the efficiency by embracing the cloud technology. That's what my answer.
Nice. I learned a new term today, overall equipment effectiveness. I'm guessing we'll be using this in manufacturing industry to diagnose faults, downtimes, and reduce performances and bring them back, to improve the efficiency and productivity. Wonderful. Thank you, Ganesh. Thanks for the valuable insights. I hope this was useful to some of the manufacturing industries who are watching this series.
Thank you very much, Sayed, for having me. And please, viewers, please like our 5-minute SST hostings, okay? And in the social media, please follow us. Thank you very much.